BOREMAX is a compact, modular line boring and welding system designed for precision, portability, and performance. Engineered with a cost-effective, servo-powered, digitally controlled design, BOREMAX reduces operator fatigue and enables fast, single-operator setup. The modular bar system allows quick configuration, with bar lengths up to 94.5 inches for extended reach and flexibility. Precision-bearing mounts provide rigid bar support and accurate alignment, ensuring stability and consistent machining performance. BOREMAX is powered by a high-performance servo-electric drive. The 3.1 kilowatt system delivers smooth torque and precise control. Precision feed control with a ball screw system and digitally controlled axial feed ensures consistent, repeatable results. Designed with operator safety in mind, BOREMAX minimizes noise, reduces exposure to rotating components, and features an emergency stop for immediate shutdown when needed. From standard line boring to chamfering, BOREMAX delivers smooth, controlled cutting across multiple applications.
BOREMAX transitions seamlessly from machining to bore welding without repositioning, offering step, spiral, and program skip modes, 30,000s to 35,000s inch wire capability, and a 1.3 to 16-inch torch range with included extensions.
Trusted across agriculture, forestry, infrastructure, mining, construction, manufacturing, oil and gas, marine, and MRO operations worldwide.
The BOREMAX modular line boring and welding machine. Compact, capable, and configurable.